Yo, hear me I say, yo Siva, let me say this to you. You better you shut your mouth, you know, bro, God. You hear me I say, you better you shut your mouth because you look like you miss workhouse, you know. You look like you look like you miss workhouse, you know, Siva. I don't know why Vince Carter on the television just shut your mouth and relax. Brother, you can't stop people from saying what they want to say. You understand me I say? You need to understand it's a different time we are living in now, youth. This is not the time. This is not the time when you're in the road back in the 2011 and watch man and mince up your friend. And because man I put food by your table, you couldn't know about it. But now you come talk about yo. You want man see your road and send them to you. Brother, stop with the tough talk, bro. You hear? Hear me I say, Siva, aka Shawn Storm. Stop with the tough talk, bro. Because man, we see your road and page you and you can't even do nothing about that. You hear me I say, bro, God? You better relax, youth. Make some itch scratch, make some music, and go and enjoy what left of your life, bro. You better do that and stop with your tough shot on the internet, bro. You understand me I say? Them youth nowadays no normal youth. And them same youth are like the youth them back in the 2011 youth. You understand me I say? Enough man there road would have died for see you right now. To give you a page. And that you need to know. Siva, you better you relax yourself, you. Remember say, you hold on a Frenkillaaaaa, you know, you. Remember say, you hold on a Frenkillaaaaa. You better you relax, Siva. Make some money. Enjoy your life. Have some girl. You understand me I say? And stop with the bad man thing on the internet, you. You know see it? You know, yo, youth, you better learn, youth. You better follow Addy your daddy. And that me I tell you, youth. Follow Addy your daddy. And be a changed person, even if you don't really change. Just make the world feel like you're a changed person, youth. See for your baby boy, youth. Relax yourself, youth. You talk about your one man see you and come say certain things to you. If you know who you is. Who you is, youth. You're nothing but a motherfucking Frenkillaaaaa, youth. That's what you is. You hear me I say? Relax your mouth, Siva. Relax and make some money, youth. And go and live your life and enjoy your life. Because you don't know what go on, youth. You don't know what o'clock a strike. You better you humble yourself, youth. You heard?